At La Joya ISD, safely transporting thousands of students to and from school each day is one of the most important services we provide to our families. Over the past several months, the district conducted a comprehensive review of our transportation system to identify opportunities to strengthen service, improve efficiency, and modernize how transportation works across the district. This work is helping us build a transportation system that better supports students, families, and our growing community.
Our responsibility is to ensure that our transportation system continues to meet the needs of our students and families. This review gave us the opportunity to take a closer look at our processes, our technology, and our operations so that we can strengthen safety, improve routing efficiency, and modernize our transportation system. By implementing these improvements, now we are building a system that is more reliable, more transparent for our families, and better prepared for the future.
These improvements will help us provide more consistent routes, stronger safety practices, and better communication with families. We are also introducing new technology tools that will allow parents to view bus stop locations, receive notifications about delays or route changes, and stay informed about transportation updates for their students. Our transportation team is working every day to prepare for these improvements so that students arrive at school safely and families have better access to transportation information.
As these improvements roll out, families will begin to see updates to routing, enhanced safety procedures, and new tools that make it easier to access transportation information. These updates are designed to reduce delays, improve reliability, and provide families with clearer communication about bus routes and transportation services. Because transportation is something our families experience every day, your feedback is important to us. La Joya ISD will be hosting community engagement sessions this spring where parents and community members can learn more about these transportation improvements, see demonstrations of the new technology tools, and ask questions directly to district leadership and the transportation team. Families are invited to attend any of our upcoming community sessions. Join us March 24th at La Joya High School, March 26th at Juarez Lincoln High School, or March 31st at Palmview High School. All meetings will take place from 6 o'clock to 7:30 p.m., and parents may attend whichever session is most convenient for them. We encourage our families to join us for these sessions and stay connected as we continue strengthening transportation services for our students.
We understand that changes to student transportation can create uncertainty for our families, and we want you to know that we hear you. Please know that this work is being done with care, transparency, and a deep commitment to our community. Our goal is to build a more reliable and responsible transportation system that better serves our students and ensures that they can fully participate in the opportunities that La Joya ISD provides each day.
At La Joya ISD, we remain committed to ensuring every student arrives at school safely, on time, and ready to learn.